me again.
Again.
I woke up like at 5-ish.
Yeah.
Now we both woke up at 5-ish.
Yeah.
We're actually on our way to another
car
meetup.
event. So we made it to the event.
Yeah,
So
cool.
far,
And we
3
have
cars.
and we have a cool parking spot.
I know.
And I'm just cleaning right
Yeah,
now.
we're just cleaning right now before the event starts.
Nice
And
and
we have like 2 more cars down there. More cars coming. So we have this trailer that is enclosed. I think they have like nice car inside. So here we are. We're still cleaning or buffering all the
making sure the what's that, the oil streaks or the spray streaks is properly evened out or gone.
Right.
And making it shiny.
Yeah. Over here
Man, look
is
at that. Badass right
I
there.
know. So let me zoom it in. So this event is with Formula Drift and also Morning Car Club. So they have their other cars here now. Mazda RX-7 right there. And then here's the other cars that are parking now. There's the Hondas right there. Here's a nice blue Mustang. Then over here we have a Porsche Turbo. And here's all the Hondas right there with all their carbon fibers. Here's us right here.
So let's check out this Bilstein BMW. Plus Nissan. So it's already past 9, so more cars came in. We're in this row right here, and there's the Civics right there, and we got a lovely classic right here, Darts, and this is ours right here, all 80% fully carbon. And then there's a nice caddy right here. Man, this is awesome right here. Look at this. Wow.
Oh, that is too.
Damn. Wow. There's now more drifting cars right here.
Yeah. Different kinds.
I know, different kinds. Oh, cool. This is a Mazda RX-8. Oh, sweet. And this is the one we saw earlier. Man, this thing's loud. Yeah. And then here's the Acura NSX, Audi R8, Nissan Skyline right here.
Yes. Nice.
Cool carbon fiber hood too.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. 4-door Skyline. Sweet. Here's another one right here. Oh man, look at this Jaguar. It's clean. Oh man, look at this Mazda. Oh cool, look at the fenders with it too. The rims, all matches too. Oh, this is a clean Lexus right here. We're now crossing the street and we're now heading this way. Checking out more cars here. I know. I was gonna say more rigs, but we're not in a 4x4 meetup. just now walking back. Man, this is clean right here. Oh. Wheel spacers to get it, or I don't know, to get the stance like that?
Maybe.
Oh, cool Celica. Vulcan tires. So we're now crossing over. Wow, this event is pretty big.
I know.
Oh, cool. Carbon fiber tailgate right here. Sweet. Carbon fiber, what's this, trunk? Sweet. Oh, with a carbon fiber hood.
Also vents.
With the vents. Cool. So here's a clean MR2 right here. Wow, haven't seen these for a while. Then this Volkswagen GTI. Oh, this is a clean setup. Oh, what? This is cool too. GMC type food. Clean M3. Wow, Recaro seats too. Cool. Oh, this one has horns. Wow, matte too. This is a clean Infiniti right here. Carbon fiber.
Oh.
I know. Damn, look at this. No expenses. Wow. Right, so we're back here now, and we're gonna go inside the parking lot here. Oh man, look at this Viper right here with carbon fiber. What's this? The front lip, carbon fiber canards, carbon fiber vent. Wow, cool rims. Oh wow, look at the exhaust. It's in the side. Sparco racing seats, Sparco steering wheel. Oh man, carbon fiber. Yeah, center console. And yeah, look at that. Cool. Wow, they got tube doors too.
I know, huh?
Cool tube doors. So we're just moving along. There's more cars here. Oh, some cool classic BMWs right there. Oh man, look at this wide body BMW, carbon fiber hood. Oh wow. Oh, what? Even has an Uber sticker too. That's cool. Man, this is clean. Oh crap, look at this. Wow. I've never seen a BMW engine carbon fiber before. We're just walking around some more. And there's the Mazda right there. I believe he's starting his car. Let me just zoom in. Oh, this is cool. Sweet Bluebird. Nice. There goes the Mazda right there. Look at that. Competition too. No guts, all glory. RX-3. Sweet. Cool. New Supra here. What's this, matte black?
Yeah.
Wow. Carbon fiber hood.
They changed their headlights.
Yeah, the headlights is changed. Oh, carbon fiber lip. Thank you. Even the scoop, the canards. Oh boy. someone started their car. Yeah, someone started. This is clean. So after checking this super out, look what's in front of it. This is a different color now, right?
Yeah.
That was a cool event.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Their cars are so loud
I know.
that
They don't even need to rev up.
they don't even have to rev up. All they do is just do like a cold start. That's it. It's louder than any rev up I've heard. That's nuts.
I know. But it was a cool turnout.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was really nice.
We're here in a Vietnamese place. Vietnamese fast food, Vietnamese restaurant, I don't know. But this is the banh mi pork sandwich. Grilled pork. And then she got hers a garlic noodles. And let me just zoom out. And we're right there at Bite Me. There you go. Oh, and we got special coffee.
House special coffee.
House special coffee. And then we got the
Vietnamese coffee.
Vietnamese coffee. All right. And I'm wearing the hood now because it's getting colder
It's
now.
cold.
Yeah. So. Oh, what? That's so cool.